To take this test. You ready? Let's get it.
This is Mr. Miller with the world's tiniest microphone, and I'm ready for iReady.
Hi, IMS. It's Miss Gallagher. So next week we are going to start our iReady fall testing. So if you were here last year, we did it where we just started on a Wednesday and we did 1 hour of iReady in the morning for 2 Wednesdays in a row. This year it's going to be different. So we're going to test for the whole week, but it's going to be in specific classes. So starting on Monday, we're going to do the reading iReady test in your language arts class. And then Tuesday, you're going to finish your reading diagnostic in your social studies class. We're going to skip Wednesday, give you a break. And then Thursday, you're going to do your math in your math class. And then on Friday, if you have a math to finish, which sometimes you won't because the math goes a little bit faster. But if you do need to finish your math diagnostic, you will finish it in your science class on Friday. And then we'll be done. So just a reminder that the iReady diagnostic, especially in the fall, is so important because it tells your teachers what you know and what you learned from last year. And it's really important for us to have that data so that we can plan for the year and plan for the month. And then we can see where you started, and we will take the iReady again in the winter and then again in the spring to see how you grew. We're really excited to see how everybody's doing and to see what you learned last year and how you progressed from spring to fall. So we really want you to try your best on both your reading and your math diagnostic. Just a reminder that this is an adaptive test. So the reading test will give you easy questions and hard questions to figure out exactly what level you are. So don't get discouraged if you get a really hard question because an easy one might follow, or it might become a question that's right on your level. And there's really no way to predict when the easy questions are or when the hard questions are. So you just have to keep going.
So what is a diagnostic?
A diagnostic is a test you take so that your teachers know like where you're at in your learning and what you need to learn more of, or what they might need to go over multiple times or explain in more detail rather than the things you do know and that you already have learned better.
So what's something that's important to remember when you're taking a diagnostic?
Something that's important to remember when you're taking a diagnostic is to not rush through the questions, not to guess on every single thing. If you know the answer, you know how to solve it, and to take your time.
And what happens if you come to a question that is really difficult? Then what do you do?
Come to a question that's really difficult. This happens to me a lot. I'm guilty of this. I'll take forever on that question and I'll try and solve something that I have not yet learned. So if you don't know the answer to the question and it's taking you over like 10 minutes, then just take your best guess and move on, because that is one thing that you have not learned yet or that you need to go over again.
I'm going to share this clip of what teachers should not be doing when you're taking your iReady assessment.
Students, remember to read the questions fully and make sure to answer each question, please. Yeah, read the full question before answering, please. Thank you.
I'm ready for iReady.
I'm ready for iReady. I'm ready for iReady.
Get ready. I'm ready. Who's ready? I'm ready. Get ready. I'm ready. Who's ready? I'm ready. Get ready. I'm ready. Who's ready? I'm ready. Get ready.